What is up, trappers? Check it out. It is Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Hope you all are having a great day. There's a notification. Trap My Ride is live. That's right, we're out here on Father's Day doing some things. You can see we got the mini truck back there. We took a ride for that earlier. The Equinox is here. Check this out. We got something going on with the Blazer. I'll show you that, guys, in a minute. And we'll step back here. Look at this. We got the Stang Banger. He's back here working on the sounds. After we check out the Blazer here, we're gonna stick the camera in what he's doing, and I'll show you what he's got going on. We got somebody viewing here. I think it's Andrew. What up, man? Happy Father's Day to you too. Thanks for watching, brother. Check this out. So I took this to the car wash yesterday to get ready for the meet, and when I sprayed the side of the truck, I noticed it was extremely hot, guys. I was like, holy crap. The water hit this and it just boiled, and I was like, holy shit, that can't be right, guys. So I was checking it out. My caliper, a lot like Jonathan's just the other day, mine was seized up inside like it was tight, and I had noticed it had been pulling to the left. And I had went to Monty's and Wakarusa. I had to put new hubs on, new rotors, new brakes. Like they rebuilt the underneath of it, new upper and lower ball joints, idler arm, all kinds of things under there. I had all that redone, but I had to put new brake pads and everything on too. But I put the spacers on with the new wheels, put new tires on. But I noticed even with all that, it was still pulling to the right, and I'd have to steer it left a lot. So I was like, man, what's the deal? I had an alignment here. And I asked him, and pretty much what he had to say about it as well, it might be in the gearbox. Well, obviously not in the gearbox. So today, guys, we were messing with this. We got this fitted up. O'Reilly's right here in Napanee. Shout out to those guys. Eric, working on Father's Day, man. Happy Father's Day to you. Appreciate you being out there working today, so that way I can get my caliper and I can continue to have a good Father's Day. So everybody give a shout out to those guys that are still out there working and doing stuff. Shout out to the Amazon guy too. He's delivering packages today. He just brought me a package a few minutes ago. And so, you know, there's guys out here working. So happy Father's Day to them. I want to give them a shout out. What's up, man? Man, I can't remember his name. He's got the awesome red Tahoe. Man, that thing's awesome. But yeah, we just put a new caliper on here, man. This thing was getting hot as heck. So let's check this out. We got it all bled, everything on. Pretty much the wheel is ready to go back on here. It's all set up. Got them all bled. Reservoir's full of brake fluid. We're good to go here. We just need to get the wheel on, get it torqued, get the insert and center cap and stuff on. But I'm just gonna leave it sit here for a minute, and we're gonna check out back here what Justin's got going on. Look at this, guys. You know, he put his speakers back here. He took this out to make room for his sub box, and I think he's working on just getting the speakers mounted in there. Is that what you're working on, Justin?
What?
Just mounting your speakers in there without the box? Is that what you're doing? To make room for the subs? That's what he's working on. What he's working on.
Got my louds back here.
Yeah. Happy Father's Day to Justin. That's for sure. Equinox is out here. It's time for a bathe in this. I got to take this thing down to the car wash today and get this thing around and ready. It needs washed up. It's a pretty good vehicle. Drives good. I don't really drive it a lot. But it does good. It does good. You know, we got the mini truck sitting out here in the grass. We took it for a ride, and I figured, hey, what the heck, I'll just pull up and I'll leave the room in the driveway, and we'll just leave the mini truck in the grass. Why not? Nice cool spot for it to sit. Man, the AC in this thing is so cold, guys. I freaking love it, especially with the new radiator being in. It helps it run so much cooler, and that AC will straight freeze you out of there, man. On a hot day like today, yeah, that AC is great, guys. The Blazers is good too, but this thing gets really, really cold because, well, look, there's nothing to cool down inside there, really. That's awesome. But yeah, I was telling about the mini truck's AC, about how great it is on hot days, how there's nothing inside to cool down except for you, so it cools down real quick. The Blazer, it takes a minute, but I tell you guys, I like my sunroof up here, and I just let the bass billow out of that thing. Sometimes I'll still run the air, but not a lot. I'll crack the windows, open the sunroof in this thing, and I'll just ride around and do my thing. But that's what we're out here doing on Father's Day, guys. I want to give a shout out to everybody and say Happy Father's Day to everybody. Everybody, thanks for coming out watching. Thanks for a great weekend. We're going to be busy all week, so stay tuned, stay posted for the videos. You know, they'll be out, they'll be coming, everything we do. So those will be out for the week. Next weekend, I don't know. I have a game plan, but it's a little bit different of a game plan. So I'm going to run it past the crew, see what they think, and then we'll put something into action here. Let's see. Tony Morris. I ain't got no AC, so appreciate something. Yeah, for real, Tony don't got no AC. Damn. Boy, I couldn't live without my AC. Like LL said, he can't live without his radio. I'm kind of the same way, but I have to have that AC sometimes, man. Sometimes it's just uncomfortable. Stainbanger's beating, man. He putting it to it. He put new tie rod ends on this thing. He was messing with the ball joints. Everything, man. He's putting his work in this summer, that's for sure. I haven't had a chance to get over and see what Wook's doing with the Chevy. I want to get over there, you know, sometimes he's gone and stuff, so, you know, you got to catch him around. But, guys, when we get a chance, we'll be over there to check out what he's doing with the box Chevy. Jonathan, he was out here fooling around earlier. Hey, kid, he's always playing. He's on something, man. But he's happy he got his truck fixed, guys. He is. He's real happy about that. Let's see what's Andrew say. I deleted my AC. Whew, boy, y'all braver than I am, man. Now, sometimes in traffic and when I gotta go, I'll turn it off because it's got that little 4-cylinder. But I'll turn it off and we'll go. But it stays cool, and I'll click that thing back on once we're rolling. I ain't even faded. And the heat is hot, hot. So that's what that is, man. I'm glad I got all that. Tony says, worst mistake I ever made was doing it. Yeah, I bet so, man. I'd want my AC. For real, I drove this across town just to go get this caliper from O'Reilly's, and I'm telling you, oh man, I'm hitting sockets and stuff, man. I'm telling you, I trip over stuff. I don't watch where I'm going. I watch the camera, man. I watch the screen. I run the AC all the way there and back, man. I thought about letting it run, but I just shut it off, just so I ain't burning up gas. Needed room for another alternator. Oh man. Man, I put one sub inside this little bitty cab. I had two in here and it was loud, but it moved the seats up. I'm gonna see if this thing's unlocked. It moved the seats up so far. Man, I felt like Pee Wee Herman riding in this thing, man. Like Steve Urkel. Like I gotta get out of the front of it. You know what I mean? So I like to sit and relax when I ride. So we just put the one right in the center. Man, that door sometimes. So I just put it right in the center. But yeah, I like my AC, man. I wish I had my sun strip, man. We had it out to blackout tinting, and Amos did that job on the Blazer that I didn't really care for on the sun strip. So he didn't even bother to finish this one. He said, well, I'm not even gonna mess with this one. Your stuff's done, get it out of here, whatever. Told me he was busy with other people. He said I have to reschedule, and that was, I don't know, let's see, how long ago? Yeah, almost 2 months ago, guys. Come on. And I still don't got no sun strip and ain't heard nothing from him. I got a feeling I ain't gonna. I'm just gonna have to go someplace that does it right. But that's what we're doing. I'm getting this wheel on. We're gonna take this for a spin. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my Father's Day. I think I'm gonna have a steak and a baked potato tonight for dinner. That sounds real good. So, shout out to all the dads. What are you having tonight for dinner, John? Or damn, I almost called you Jonathan. I'm gonna get punched in the eye doing that. Damn. What do you? Yeah, are you having a nice Father's Day dinner?
Why not?
Man, well then you need to hang out. So that way you can have a nice Father's Day dinner. Because I'm going to have a steak and baked potato. I'm going to see if there's extra steak in there and an extra potato. If so, you want a steak and potato for Father's Day? Alright, bet. I'm going to see what's up. But alright guys, that's what we're doing. I'm going to end this clip. Thanks everybody for watching. Love the comments. Love interacting with everybody. We'll see y'all in the next clip. Keep on trapping. Detail Wizards in Warsaw does good tint. I'm going to have to look them up. That's what Tony Morris said. Detail Wizards in Warsaw. Yeah, look at this. I'm going to shut this right quick, man. Hang on, Tony. We ain't getting in this yet. Look at this. I'm going to show you. Oh, shit. Alright, let me shut the hood here. Now, look at this. You see this? It's a huge arch. And when you look at it from the inside, it's even worse, man. See that? All I need is 2 wide eyes on there and a lightning bolt on the quarter panel, and this thing would be like, chow. See, like, here's what he did, man. He took the straight edge of that tent. Now you look down here, you see? He took a straight edge of that tit and laid it on this big bubble windshield. So he took a straight edge, laid it on a curve. So now it's not straight no more. I feel like Nelly when I'm in here, man. Just arches. So, I mean, that can't go, man. And he was kind of, he didn't like that I said something about it. Like, I don't know, like I said something bad about his kids or something. But that can't go. He'd do it for like 50 bucks, I bet. Yeah. Can he get it straight, man? You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't lay the straight edge on a curve and expect it to be straight, man. I told him. I showed him the video, man. And we went over this the year before, too, in the Blazer. Pull your tent down. I ain't trying to tell him his business. You know what I mean? But, I mean, when he does stuff like this, I mean, I got to explain it. You bring your tent down to it's about right here. You use this whole piece right here, right across. You cut it down, and that gives you your line. And then you bring it down and make your other cut. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on now. Somebody doing tent, charging people and doing this, man, unless you move right around like that with a big frown, I ain't cool with that. And he didn't even finish it on the mini truck, so I gotta get that done. Yeah, Detail Wizards in Warsaw. Justin, remind me of that, will you, man? I'm gonna look them up. Bet. Heck yeah. All right, guys, I appreciate all the comments, everything. Brent Mishler, man, I think he sent me a message here. Let me see. Yes, sir, I got what you need. If you're watching the live video, I got what you need. Come see me. I got splitters. All right, guys, that's what it is. We're going to get to it. Keep on trapping.